big story this season in 2021 comes from last year's champions, Praga Cars.
It's so much fun to drive and I'm really happy to be driving it.
It's very agile, there's no traction control, no ABS, so driver's very much responsible for what's happening.
We are racing!
Unbelievable car, high downforce, lots of power.
It's mega. The fact that you've got a nice balance of aero at high speed and mechanical grip at low speed really handles itself quite nicely.
What I love about this car especially is you can really stand it on its nose and brake very, very late, later than I can remember doing in a single seater.
When you've got the aero working properly on a track like this, it feels more and more stable, which gives you more confidence, which is like a virtuous circle. So good!
I can't believe that, mate.
I've never felt anything like that before, so my brain's still trying to process it a little bit, but it's fast.